Are you ready for your question?
I'm ready.
Say hello to your fans muna. Seems like you have a lot of fans here.
Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. I'll make Rizaleños proud.
Alright.
Very good. So you have 30 seconds and this is your question. Considering the influence of social media on today's youth, how will you use your platform as Mr. Grand Philippines to promote positive change and empower the next generation?
As Mr. Grand Philippines, I will use social media to promote positive change by sharing awareness on social issues, supporting mental health discussions and adaptation and inclusivity. And also, makikipag-collaborate ako sa iba't ibang organization para
Time's up, Mr. Laguna.